Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, in this video is not going to be a very long video. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up today, you guys. So, I put myself on like a YouTube budget to go and get some like arts and crafty stuff for y'all, honey. Okay. So first off, let me say, my name is Chanel, Shanice K. Alexandria. The K stands for Kitty. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming to check out this video and coming to my channel. I really, really do appreciate it. If you are new here, please click the subscribe button. I have a lot of awesome crafts to show you guys. And for those that have previously came to my channel, thank you so much for continuing to support me. I really do appreciate it. So, you guys, let me show you what I picked up today. Oh my God. If y'all hear some rattling, it's because my door is open and I'm like sitting like right here in my bed. So you'll hear like traffic going by. So, okay. So you guys seen the other two videos with me posting up the craft that we had all, got together to figure out the colors and things like that. So I am done with the craft, but as you've seen in the photos, I had put like little Paris pictures on here, but I am so happy that I did not glue those down because I'm actually going to be changing it. That's my brother, y'all. um, I'm I found these in the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be putting these little Paris things on here. So I'm gonna put one right here. I'm gonna put one over here, and I found a flower that kind of resembles the one that we was using for the craft. So I'm gonna take some of these flowers off and stick them on there in like the empty spots. Like I don't want it to be too jazzy, but I don't want too many empty areas either. And also I picked up some other stuff from the Dollar Tree. So basically these are gonna be like Dollar Tree DIY projects. So this one right here, I got two of these little things. I don't know what they are, but they kind of fit in with what I had going on in my mind. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these like this, and I'm gonna put these. They're like they're champagne glasses, and this is plastic. I'm gonna be putting these in the little square parts because you guys, I have a lot of jewelry. And I have to go through two jewelry bags and both of these jewelry dresses that's behind me. Hold on, y'all. And both of these jewelry dresses behind me. So when I go through all of that stuff, I know I'm gonna need more space. I have two little jewelry trays that I know for sure it's not gonna hold all this stuff when I go through it. So two of these projects are gonna be for to hang up my jewelry and to put my jewelry on. So that's one of them right there. And then the other one will be this right here. So I have like a whole bunch of like earrings, and some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know. I have two piercings, like one down here, and then I have my cartilage pierced that I got pierced like years ago, and I have a whole bunch of tops for my whole bunch of earrings for my tops. There you go. So I'm gonna be putting these together. I purchased four of these, and I purchased this picture frame, which I'm not going to be using like the frame in the back part. It's just going to be for the glass. And I'm going to be using this mirror and two of these little candle holders. I know that's like, y'all probably thinking like, what, like, well, how are you going to put all of that together? When we do the craft, you'll see. Hopefully it'll all come together, right? What's in my mind, it seems as if it'll work out okay. Let's pray and hope that it works out okay. Please. Okay, you guys, and the other one, the last one that we're gonna be doing is you guys know, like, I am infatuated with Burberry, and I seen that they had like black little poster boards or whatever you want to call them. So I picked up some of these red flowers, kind of how we did our Chanel Paris sign. I'm gonna be doing the same thing with that, with the flowers, and I'm gonna get some more lettering so that way I can like spell out Burberry onto the poster board along with these. This is a like poster board, like kind of like stickers sheets or something like that. So I'm gonna be splitting these like in like little lines, you know how like the Burberry is. So I'm gonna be doing that with the gold, the silver, and the red ones, and I'm gonna put that onto the board because I'm so ready to do these crafts, like oh my goodness. And it was kind of awesome because of the area that I was in. I was like, Dollar Tree. I wonder if they got some like really good stuff in there I could put together to make some crafts with. So I went in there and I looked around. I said, okay, I'm gonna do a little budget. I'm gonna buy some stuff so that way we can do some more crafts and things like that with. So you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I really do appreciate it, and I cannot wait to do these crafts with you guys. So stay tuned. Come back to my channel really soon. When you subscribe, make sure that you click the bell so that way you will know when I upload the new crafts. That's it, you guys. I love you so much, and thank you again for checking out my channel. Please subscribe, and to those that have seen my channel already, I really do appreciate you guys supporting me. Bye.